Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change document units in Affinity. Now, that could be whether you're in a design or you're going to start a new project. The document units basically means if you're going to create the preset manually, you can easily choose the size of whatever you want. So let me show you. Once you're in the design, click on the plus on the upper right hand side, and here you can go ahead and just, let's say I want to create a own custom preset. I'm going to just select H3 right here, and if you look to the upper right, you can see that it has the option where you can put in your size for the height and the width. But let's say you don't know it in millimeter, but you know it in pixels, for example, and you can easily do that. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you, for example, what I know this to be for YouTube thumbnail. So right here you can see from this page that I need to create a 1280 by 720. Obviously this is the millimeter size for YouTube thumbnails, but what if I didn't know that, or what if you didn't know that, you only know by the pixel size? This is where it comes in, where you can don't have to worry about stressing yourself to know the millimeter in size, but just go ahead and just switch the document unit to pixels. And now you can just fill in whatever you want in pixels. So in that case, I will just put my 1280 right here. So you can just copy this or remove that and type your px. And the same goes for the 720 section, right? So you can easily go ahead and change this to 720. And so if I didn't have this option here, guys, then what's going to happen is that I will have to go ahead and change this to millimeter and try to search for it, right? But you don't have to use this. Once you know whatever size you need, you can just select it from here and adjust it the way you want, right? So you have pixels, you have points, you have picas, you have inches, feet, yard, millimeter, centimeter, meter. You have all of these. Whatever you know, you can just choose it and then fill in those different options that you want, right? So, and just fill in the values that you know. So that's how you can easily change the document unit in Affinity. I hope that helps. Now, I'm going to show you if you're inside, for example, a design already. Let's choose something here and you want to quickly resize it. Just click on document setup here on the top left, slightly to the top left. And it's going to open it up. And here you can see right here that you have the document units and you can switch it to whatever you want, pixel, and you can just start to fill it in. So here you can fill in the details right here just by choosing whatever you want. And if you want to switch between portrait, landscape, you can do that as well. So that's how you can work with it, guys. Very easy and very simple. I hope that helps. If it does, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you. And thank you guys for watching.